Hi, it's Riley, and this is my multicultural theme kit presentation. The title is called Holidays Around the World. So for my trade books, I have The Legends of the Poinsettia. And this is a Mexican legend about how the poinsettia became a gift that people give at Christmas. And it gives children an idea of what a Christmas celebration looks like in Mexico. My next book is called Light the Candle, Bang the Drum. And this is a book that talks about 24 different holidays and festivities and celebrations all around the world. This is a really great book for this activity because there's so many different holidays that you can research and learn about. There's pictures and just different facts and information. This is also what I did my trade book activity on this book, and the activity is called Comparing Christmas. And so what we will do is I will discuss with the students the different holidays that they celebrate throughout the year. And then I'll explain to the students that people in different cultures and countries celebrate different holidays than we do, or that they celebrate the same holidays that we do just a little bit differently. Then we will read Light the Candle, Bang the Drum, and we're going to then discuss the different holidays that we saw in the book. Some of them will be holidays that they've never heard of. Some of them they maybe have heard of but don't know much about. So we will discuss how the holidays are similar and different to the holidays that we celebrate, and discuss all of the different cultural aspects of each of these holidays. And then I will have the students complete a Venn diagram worksheet by choosing 2 holidays from the book. So they get to choose whatever 2 holidays they would like and then compare them. My third book is called The Gift of Kwanzaa. And it just tells students a little bit about the origins and practices of Kwanzaa, which is a holiday that is celebrated by African Americans. So for my assessment, I will have my students choose a holiday from another culture or country. So again, from that book, they can choose any of those holidays, or if they have a different one that they know about, they could choose that also. And then I will have them research it on the internet in the computer lab, and then I want them to write a 1-page report on the holiday and have them share that with their class. And then I have a little rubric here just for their 1-page paper. They'll get a score for the research, staying on topic, capitalization and punctuation, spelling, and then the presentation, and they'll just get a score of 1 to 4. For my first instructional activity, I'm going to have the students fill in a map. So the whole idea of this is that we're traveling around the world, learning about all the different countries and cultures and the holidays that they celebrate. So as a class, each country that we learn, they're going to locate it on this map you see, and just color in the country that we visit. So this is a geography standard that this meets. My next activity is a holiday stained glass project. This was my art instructional activity. So this is really pretty simple to make. You give the children some different templates from all over the world. You can see there's a Christmas tree, a nativity, some candles, a menorah. There's others like a bell, a dreidel, just some different things that represent different holidays. So they'll choose one, and then I'll pass out a gallon bag to them, and then they put their template inside the bag and trace the design with a black Sharpie, and then they can color in the design with colored Sharpies. They take the template out, and then you give them a plate and foil, and they wrap the foil around the plate, around the bottom of it, and then they put that inside their baggie, and the foiled side of the plate should be centered behind the stained glass. And then you just tape it around the back, and that's what it ends up looking like. Some resources that I found for a class field trip. I am going to take the students to the Temple Beth Shalom building in Winter Haven. This is a synagogue where students will be able to see what it looks like decorated for Hanukkah, and the rabbi that is there at the synagogue will teach them all about Hanukkah and the traditions and the reasons that they celebrate it, and all the different things that go along with it. Another thing I will do is have a pastor come in dressed up as Santa Claus, and I will have him read to them the story of St. Nicholas, so that they can learn, where we got Santa Claus from, and kind of the idea of gift giving instead of receiving. And then I have some virtual resources that were pretty cool. Someone created a virtual Christmas around the world field trip, and they are able to go to Italy, Germany, Greece, England, and the US, and each country has a description of the traditions, a photo, a video, and then the flag, and then there are questions for the students to answer as they go through the virtual field trip. There's also a site, National Geographic. It has a lot of information, and then it also has games and quizzes and videos and pictures for holidays of every season around the world. And then this site on Scholastic, there was a couple different options, but the one that I particularly liked was that they could send a holiday e-card with holiday trivia on it. And so there was trivia for Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, and a couple others, and they were able to type in their name and who they want it to go to in the little message, and then they could choose a holiday for the trivia. And these are some pictures that just show the different traditions and games, the dreidel, decorations, people that are celebrated, and all of that different stuff. So the main idea of this holidays around the world is just to teach children kind of to be self-aware that, a lot of times we think that the holidays we celebrate are the holidays that everybody celebrates, and they will obviously learn when they get into school that they probably have classmates that celebrate differently than they do, or that celebrate different holidays. And so this will allow them to learn more about the diversity of holidays that are celebrated and the different cultures, and the meaning behind them really is the important part. Is why they celebrate that holiday, who it's about, and just the cultural aspects behind it. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.